Hello everyone, welcome to FutureReady Nepal. Today we'll show you how to create an account on the CGI portal of India and book visa slot. So let's start by typing the site name, that is usvisascheduling.com. Now this is a sign in page. If you are first time user, you have to create an account by clicking on sign up. If you already have an account, simply enter the username and password and click sign in. To make an account on the on CGI portal, you have to enter a username. You can choose any username you want. You can enter your name or anything you want, but make sure you remember this username and password. Now here use an active email address to receive a verification code. After you receive the verification code, just enter the code and click on verify code. Now you have to put your name and select a security question and type your answer. Make sure to note down your answers. And hit create button. Now that the account has been created, we can log into the portal using the username and password we created earlier. Put the captcha. In case you make mistake in the captcha, you can generate a new one. Now sign in. Okay, so here you have to put that security answer and hit continue. Select the I have read and understood the system and hit the continue. Now we are on the profile section of the CGI portal. We need to enter the contact email address, preferred language and country. So choose English as a preferred language, and for country we have to choose India because we will not find Nepal here. We are now on the home page of the CGI portal. Click on start application. Now we need to fill out these details. Choose country of birth, which is Nepal, obviously. Gender, male, female. Here you have to put your phone number. So first of all, choose the country code, that is Nepal. As it is a dummy account, I am just putting the random number. Enter your address. Okay, now this section is very crucial. So ensure you enter your passport details accurately without any errors. I repeat, without any errors. You can find all the necessary information on your passport. Enter your uh, passport issuance date, passport expiration date, your date of birth. If you make mistake here, you won't be able to change anything. Every data I'm putting here is just a dummy data. This is not real. Nationality, obviously Nepal, and click submit. This is visa option section. Here you need to enter the details of your visa. Visa type is non-immigrant. Embassy, you can choose any embassy you want. I'm choosing New Delhi. Post visa category, that is student, because we are student. And visa priority, select F1. Next. Okay, here it is the another important section, that is your DS one city confirmation number, your service information. Okay, now this question is to check eligibility for visa interview waiver program. If you have never visited USA before, just select no and select next. If you have any dependent going with you, you have to put their information here. Here we don't have any, so we will just continue. Okay, so this is the document delivery section. Document delivery location means you have to mention the place from where you want to pick your passport after acceptance. So I will choose Delhi here and click on next. Okay, this is the payment page. You have to pay the amount of 15,514 40, sorry, 40. And you can't use Nepal bank or credit card, debit card, etc. So let's see, you choose this option, VFX, credit or debit card. You will have to take help from people in India. Now click to pay with credit or debit card. Here you need to enter your name and email. Continue. Okay, this is the payment details page. You have to enter the information of the person who is going to pay for your MRB fee. You have different options like UPI ID, debit card, credit card. You also have the option to pay directly from the Indian bank. After you complete the payment, it will take 1 to 2 hours to get activated. Uh, I will add a link to India's largest slot update Telegram group. You can track slot availability on that group. After 1 to 2 hours, log into the portal again and you will see this page. Continue application. Just follow the instruction. Continue to the confirm receipt, submit, and we are on the visa date booking page. In India, there are two appointments to book, one for biometrics and another for the counselor appointment. So this one I'm selecting date for my biometrics. So October not available, November it is available for 28, 20, 30. So I will select one date, timing, submit. Okay, now the biometrics is done. We have booked a slot for biometrics. After you book the biometrics appointment, you will have to book the counselor appointment, which I can see it is available for December. I will choose 4th of December and timing 7:40. Select and submit it.